This case considered the issue of legal professional privilege and the notion of a Chinese wall that was used by a firm of solicitors, and whether or not this Chinese wall was sufficient to dispel the risk of a conflict of interest arising between representing a new client and information provided by a former client. In this case, an accounting firm disclosed confidential information to a firm of solicitors to obtain advice on certain matters. They then ceased their relationship, and later, on the firm of solicitors commenced to act for the Corporate Affairs Commission to act as their solicitors in an action against a defendant who had been in business with the accounting firm. The accounting firm argued that the information provided to the firm of solicitors was subject to legal professional privilege, and that by acting for the Corporate Affairs Commission constituted a conflict of interest. The accounting firm had obtained an injunction, but the firm of solicitors brought an action against the accounting firm on the basis that it should be entitled to act for the Commission. The central issue for the court was whether or not the Chinese wall declaration was sufficient to satisfy the court that a conflict of interest would not arise, and that the firm of solicitors would not use the information previously provided to them. The court ultimately held that the declaration